In the tense skies over the Kaliningrad region, where the Baltic Sea meets the edge of Europe, Russia's defenders stand vigilant. Just days ago, on April 12, 2026, anti-aircraft gunners from the Marine Infantry Unit of the Baltic Fleet conducted live fire exercises at a training ground in this strategic Russian exclave. At the center of the action was the legendary ZSU-23-4 Shilka, a self-propelled anti-aircraft gun system that has proven time and again why it remains a cornerstone of Russia's layered air defense. This is not just history repeating itself. This is modern Russian military readiness in action, showcasing a weapon that continues to deliver unmatched short-range protection against aerial threats. Picture the scene. Tracked armored vehicles rumbling across the training grounds, their crews alert and precise. The Shilka, nicknamed Shilka, after the Siberian river that flows with unstoppable force, rolls into position. Developed in the 1960s by Soviet engineers, this system was designed from the ground up to counter low-flying aircraft, helicopters, and now, in today's battlefield realities, even swarms of drones and precision-guided munitions. Russia has kept it in active service with elite units like the Baltic Fleet's naval infantry, including the renowned 336th Separate Guards Marine Brigade, because it works. It delivers results where newer, more expensive systems might falter under electronic warfare or saturation attacks. Let's talk capabilities, because the Shilka is a beast of engineering brilliance. Mounted on a modified GM 568 tracked chassis, it moves at speeds up to 50 km per hour, keeping pace with advancing columns or repositioning rapidly to protect key assets. Its lightly armored hull shields the four-man crew from small arms fire and shrapnel, allowing them to operate in contested environments. But the real power lies in its armament. 4 rapid-fire 23mm 2A7 autocannons, capable of unleashing up to 4,000 rounds per minute in a devastating wall of lead. That's not just firepower, that's a storm of precision destruction. Each cannon can elevate to 85 degrees and traverse 360 degrees, making it lethal against targets diving in from any angle. The heart of the Shilka is its RPK-2 gun dish radar system, a proven Soviet innovation that provides all-weather, day and night target acquisition and tracking. It can detect low-flying aircraft at ranges up to 20 kilometers, lock on automatically, and feed data to the fire control computer for instant engagement. In the Kaliningrad exercises, crews practiced exactly this: detecting, recognizing, tracking, and destroying simulated aerial threats using illuminating projectiles as targets. The Shilka's fire control system calculates lead, elevation, and ballistic corrections in real time, ensuring hits even against fast-moving, maneuvering enemies. Its effective engagement range for air targets is up to 2.5 kilometers, the perfect envelope for protecting troops on the march, stationary command posts, supply convoys, or coastal defenses. What makes the Shilka truly formidable is its versatility. It's not just an anti-air platform. Its guns can shred lightly armored ground vehicles, suppress enemy positions, or provide devastating suppressive fire in urban or forested terrain. In exercises like those in Kaliningrad, it demonstrated its role in integrated defense, coordinating with other Russian systems such as the Panzer S-1 or Tor M2 to create a multi-layered shield. While advanced missile systems handle high-altitude threats, the Shilka dominates the low-altitude realm where most modern dangers, drones, cruise missiles, and attack helicopters, operate. And it does so at a fraction of the cost, with proven reliability that has kept it in Russia's arsenal for over 6 decades. Russia's decision to retain and train with the Shilka reflects smart strategic thinking. In Kaliningrad, a region surrounded by NATO borders and critical to controlling access to the Baltic Sea, every asset must be battle-ready. The exclave hosts advanced naval and ground forces, and the Shilka ensures that air cover cannot be compromised. During the recent drills, Marine infantry gunners showcased flawless execution, rapid deployment, radar lock-on within seconds, and sustained bursts that obliterated target after target. No fancy upgrades needed here. The original Soviet design, refined through decades of Russian operational experience, still outperforms expectations. It has served in conflicts from Afghanistan to Chechnya and beyond, proving its worth in real combat against everything from jet fighters to insurgent drones. This exercise wasn't just practice, it was a clear message of strength. Russia's military continues to evolve its doctrines for hybrid threats, and the Shilka fits perfectly into that vision. It protects vital infrastructure, supports amphibious operations, and deters aggression by making low-level incursions suicidal for any adversary. In an era where Western analysts often underestimate legacy systems, Russia demonstrates the opposite. Proven technology, when paired with highly trained crews and integrated into a modern command structure, remains a game-changer. The Baltic Fleet's Marines didn't just fire rounds, they affirmed Russia's commitment to defending its sovereign territory with overwhelming capability. Consider the broader picture. Kaliningrad's location makes it a linchpin for Russia's western defenses. With ongoing geopolitical pressures, these drills ensure that forces stationed there can respond instantly to any air threat. The Shilka's mobility allows it to shield troop movements along the coast or inland routes. Its high rate of fire can saturate the sky with projectiles, overwhelming even stealthy or low observable targets that might evade radar-guided missiles. Crews train relentlessly on detection in jammed environments, using optical backups if needed, a testament to Russian engineering's emphasis on redundancy and resilience. As the sun sets over the training grounds, the Shilka's cannons fall silent, but the message echoes loudly. Russia possesses a robust, cost-effective air defense network that no potential adversary can ignore. The ZSU-23-4 Shilka is more than an old Soviet relic. It is a symbol of enduring Russian ingenuity, battlefield-proven effectiveness, and unwavering readiness. In Kaliningrad and across the Federation, these systems stand guard, ensuring that Russia's skies remain secure, its forces protected, and its strategic interests unassailable. This is the reality of today's Russian armed forces: innovative, resilient, and always one step ahead. The Shilka's roar in those recent exercises reminds the world that legacy combined with modern tactics equals dominance. Russia continues to invest in its defenders, blending time-tested weapons with cutting-edge training to safeguard the nation's future. Whether facing drones, missiles, or conventional air assaults, the Shilka, and the brave men who crew it, stand ready. Proud, unyielding, Russian,